Hey guys, today we're going to be talking for a handful of minutes about the Barraki challenge. But before we get into that, I just want to say we are at 1,380 subscribers total. If we can hit 1,500 total in the next 7 days, that's when we will be taking on this challenge. So just 120 more, we should be able to get there without any problem. But make sure you're subscribed just so that you don't miss it. And yeah, it's free anyway. So what is the Barraki challenge? Well, it is a challenge where I take 2 Barraki from the wave and combine them together, and then I repeat this process as many times as possible with each unique set. So that means I could take Pridak, or the white Barraki and the green Barraki, combine them. Take the white and blue, combine them. Take the white and red, combine them, so on, and do that until I run out of possible combinations. If you do the math, there are 15 possible combinations that you can do without repeating, and so that means that I can produce 15 of these combination models for you. And since the wave is 6 models in total, it means I can make 3 at any given time, so the videos will feature 3 combination models in them, and this means that there will be 5 parts, 5 videos on the channel pertaining to these combination models. The combinations will also be put in my files on Patreon as well, so you will be able to find them there. You can get access to that at the $3 tier, and the reason I'm also plugging that is because if we can get enough on Patreon, then I also intend on expanding this challenge into the Titans of 2007 as well. We got no official combination models from the Titans from 2007, but the year gave us 6 Titans total if you want to count Lisovic as well. And so currently I own Max Zelos with the exception of one piece that I'm missing for some reason. I own Hydraxon, I own not Nocturne, Gadunka. I'm missing just the torso from Lisovic, and I'm missing parts from Nocturne and parts from Karzani. Unfortunately, my Karzani was stolen in the past. I mentioned that in a video. I'm not going to get into too much of that. Thankfully, I know some people to get some of these pieces much cheaper, so I plan on doing that to kind of work through this process, because I don't want to go spend an arm and a leg, and like I said, rent comes first. That's way more important. So with all of that said, though, that's basically everything I wanted to go ahead and mention in this video. But if this ends up being something that you guys end up enjoying, I will expand it to other years of Bionicle as well, 2008, 2009, to make combination models in a very similar vein. And I also have plans to extend it further even within 2007 as well, but I'm not going to get into too much for spoilers there. So if you guys enjoy the content, make sure to yeah, I'm beatboxing apparently. Make sure to subscribe, and of course, as always, my links for Discord, Instagram, and Patreon are in the description below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.